All right, guys, welcome to this class. Um, this is called the Foundation of Technical Analysis. This was the big question we started asking. What is the foundation of technical analysis? The foundation of technical analysis is nothing but support and resistance. Here. This guy, you have come with something else. Look, how does price move? Price moves from a level of support to a level of resistance. The market only moves from one level to another level. The simple level of one support to resistance or resistance to support until there is a break. Now, support and resistance are variables. These are the variables. The variable number one is SBR, which is support become resistance. RBS, which is resistance, becomes support. See, that is how the market moves. No other way, bro. No other way. Now, this is what I'm trying to say. This is how the market moves. If there's any other way it does, please let us know. What do you call this? I don't know if you know this is how the market moves. Please, if you have any other objection, you can let us know. And then we have something like this. Right? Sorry. I don't know if you know another way that the market moves. The market is either going up, going down, or going sideways. Is that not it? The market is either doing this. So let's just delete this guy. Let's remove this one. Let's just draw. This is all the market does. If there is any other way, when we'll get to all the variations very soon, there are variations of trend lines, okay, we'll get there soon. These are the simple things you should be doing. See, it doesn't have to be complicated. I will tell you again. Now, what is this? This is an uptrend, right? This is a downtrend, and this is a sideways movement. Am I talking to babies? No. So what do you see here? Let's darken this. See the market. All these things are marking are all levels of resistance. These are resistance levels. So the market will move from one level of support, right? Support, and then moves to a level of resistance. If it's in a real chart scenario, you will see that this thing will actually pull back, but cannot break this area. Are you understanding what I'm saying? This thing could actually pull back before now going up to break this area. Are you getting it? Then we'll now have another pullback to a level of where? To a level of support, which was a former resistance. Is that not what we say? Resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. This was a former resistance, right? Then price broke that resistance and then came back and became support. Is that not so? Or is there anything else? No, guys, tell me, is there anything else that I should do here apart from what I am doing? If price is bullish, all I am looking for is for a series of events of higher highs and higher lows. All I need to be seeing is for price to keep breaking resistances. If price is bullish, price need to keep breaking resistance. Price need to keep breaking resistance. And if price is bearish, like as it is here, price need to keep breaking support. As long as the support is breaking. Another thing I like is supply and demand. We'll touch it because supply and demand is very key. Any other thing, I don't understand what name you are calling it. You know, people just give things so many different names, and the forex market is just getting complicated. It is not supposed to be complicated at all. You understand? So this is what I mean by support and resistance. We'll go deeper later. So are you getting me now? So here's a typical example of a support and resistance. Now, what do you have here? This was a resistance, right? This was a former resistance. So let's just clone this guy and then bring it here. Resistance becomes what? Support, provided you see that price has broken an area. There are areas where price can reverse to. Price can reverse here. Price can reverse here. But if it goes below this place, it is invalid. So in this case, we say resistance has become support. Is it that price come here and do this? Or price comes here and do this. See, this is all. This is all. I don't know what you want to hear, but this is the whole thing you need to know. This is just the whole thing you need to know about this game, right? This is all you need to know. This is all you need to know. When we get to the chart, you will see it clearly. But I bet you, this is all you need to know. What about this? Just the same thing, just the same stuff, right? So what is this? This was a former support, right? This was a former support. This was a former support. This is a former support, right? And turning resistance. It's very simple. I mean,